Yo guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It started to snow all of a sudden and we already have like 4 to 5 inches of snow, and it never snows this time of the year. Well, it used to, but it hasn't snowed like this in many years. I thought I'll make a YouTube video me just shoveling all my stuff. Sounds boring, but I'm gonna try to make it fun. And I'm probably not gonna talk for the rest of the YouTube video because shoveling takes a lot of energy out of you, and it's cold out, so it's very dry and it makes you very dehydrated. So I'm gonna shovel off the half pipe, the mini trampoline, the big trampoline, and then I gotta shovel some walkways at the front of my house, and then that'll be the wrap of the YouTube video. So there was about 3 inches on the top of the half pipe, but 5 inches on the bottom. That is because the wind blows and it pushes down the half pipe into the hole. So yeah, 3 inches on top, 5 inches on the bottom, and I'm gonna get it all cleaned up. Let's put this to reference. I cleaned off this trampoline earlier today, and there's like 5 to 6 inches on top of it. And I had no school today. I have not had a snowstorm like this, like I said, in many years. It's pretty crazy. At least the snow's light. But I'm gonna shovel the rest of this part off, move on to the big trampoline, and head up front. Now I know that the trampoline is not perfectly clean. That is because it's still snowing and I'm not trying to deep clean the thing. I'm trying to get the weight off because the snow can weigh up to 500 extra pounds on the trampoline, so that's bad for the springs. Currently it's not 500 pounds, but it can weigh up to that much. I would say it was like an extra 100 pounds on the springs, which is not really good for it. So now I'm gonna go up front and clean that off. And also another reason why I didn't clean it 100% good is because I had the wrong type of shovel. But up front, there's the correct shovel for this. Now I'm gonna shovel off the deck and walkway and my car. And I think the lights are all making that weird shape and stuff because the camera's wet. There we go. Well, it made it blurry now, but I'm gonna clean the lens and then get to work. You guys can probably see the old path where I shoveled earlier. It already snowed a couple inches after I shoveled that. So I'm gonna shovel that new line back there. So when the plow comes, well, not when the plow comes because I'm gonna plow, but when I do that tomorrow, I can just push it over there because there's a stone wall right here, so I won't hit it. This is why I like these kind of shovels. They're very wide, but they're not that tall, so they're very good for pushing. But this is like a horrible shovel to actually like pick up snow and throw. That's why on the trampoline I set up the wrong shovel. I have another shovel just like this, much skinnier but much taller, so I can throw snow. So if you guys are watching this from Florida and you've never seen snow, this is why the shovel looks a little different. The snow is getting heavier. I can feel it. I can feel that the new snow coming down's wetter, and the wetter the snow, the heavier it gets. And if you guys have never seen snow, yes, there is a weight difference. Sometimes snow is very fluffy, or sometimes snow is very dense and ice-like, which weighs a lot more than the fluffy snow. And it's starting to go from fluffy to wet, so it's getting heavier. Okay, so all of this is plowed away. This is all plowed away. And I do apologize for not having a microphone. I do have a microphone, but I don't want to risk ruining it in the snow and in the crazy cold. I know I don't have my face covered, but it's still 20 degrees out. And on that note, my car, which is right there, I'm gonna have to unbury that thing because I might have school tomorrow. And today is Tuesday, so, you know, it's not even the middle of the school week, so I might have to go. As you guys can see, my car is not that high off the ground. I think the snow is taller than the car. So that's gonna be fun, but I don't think I'm gonna drive it. I think I'm just gonna unbury it up here with a snow scraper, and we're gonna see how that goes. I gotta first get the snow scraper, which is inside of my car. It's not too ideal. So I gotta take all the snow off. It's actually in the trunk. I'm gonna try my best to make sure no snowflakes are in the camera, because that's what makes it go crazy, like the quality. All right, we're gonna see. There we go. My snow scraper. I can barely see myself. It's not just dark for the camera. I think I'm gonna start filming with the flashlight on. There you guys go, the flashlight's on. The camera might get blurry because snowflakes are falling on it, but you know, I'm just trying to document this. I don't know why, I'm just doing chores, you know. I do this all the time. I just never had snow this much, this early in the year, and so quickly. So this is new to me. So I'm gonna just clean the car off now. This snowstorm is honestly not even that bad, because I had snowstorms where the snowbanks were literally 4 feet tall and 45-mile-per-hour winds, and trees were down, power lines were down for like literally like a week. And yeah, this is definitely not bad. It's just the first snowstorm of the year, and it's a crazy one. My car is almost unburied. Just gonna get this side, and I might start it up, warm it up, and make sure it's all good. It's gonna keep snowing all night, and it's like 9 o'clock at night right now. And I'm not even showing you guys, not even 20% of what I shovel. I have to shovel more ramps, which is over here, and there's a ramp behind this car. There's another ramp over there, not the half pipe. I have the half pipe, a box jump, and an airbag. And I gotta shovel all that off. I got another big deck, it's like a porch I gotta shovel off. I gotta shovel off the entrance to a shed, a garage, and well, not a garage, 3 more garages, because I have like these little quasi huts. That's what they're called. You guys don't know what that is. It's like a building. It's like a metal building that is like, you know, you can just put cars under, but there's no garage door. I'll show you guys a picture of what that looks like. It's a little interesting. But I gotta shovel all that stuff off and clean the roofs off. And yeah. My car, when I touched the door, I had my key in my pocket. I thought I was trying to unlock it, so the lights turned on. It looks kind of cool. There's a Mercedes logo on the ground. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna bring the camera over so you guys can see it. I'm gonna put it right here. Look at that. It's cool. And I'm gonna leave the car how it is. I'm just gonna heat it up. The windshield will melt and everything else is fine. Okay, I just filmed a quick Instagram story. Let me re-unlock the car. Oh, it's already unlocked. I'm gonna just start it up and get the windshield. Oh, what happened now? Did it lock? There we go. Get the windshield wipers going. It's crazy. I'm holding the phone. I don't even know if I want to sit in the car. Let me just put my foot on the brake and start it. It started. There we go. Get the windshield wiper. There we go. And then I'm gonna heat the car up. There we go, on max. Boom. I'm gonna keep the car key just in case it locks me out. Boom. I turned on the heater for the windshield so it defrost. Sorry, the video cut out for a sec. I was saying that the heater's on the windshield. It's gonna defrost it. So when I wake up tomorrow, hopefully it's all good. I know some snow is gonna still come down, but you know, it's less snow that I'm gonna have to remove tomorrow. Let's do a little walk around the car. You know, it's a little buried. Look at that front lip versus the snow. It's pretty low. At least the back end's a little taller. See, I got this ramp to shovel, this ramp. I'm not gonna do that tonight though. And yeah, this is the cons of living in a snowy state. I mean, this can be fun. I mean, what if you guys got like a Jeep or something? I had a Jeep, but like if you got a Jeep and, you know, drove in the snow, super fun, but you know, it's a pain to clean all the time. So that is a wrap of the YouTube video. I know it's kind of confusing why I even posted this, but you know, I just want to like, you know, just save these memories of me shoveling the snow every single year as a kid. I'm 17, so I'm turning 18, going to college, and I can guarantee you I'm not going to be living in the snow anymore. So I want to remember these moments of me shoveling the snow. And for future me watching this, just remember that this is absolutely nothing compared to other storms I've done. I mean, I had literally, like I said, 4 feet of snow up to here on my waist. It's insane. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching this YouTube video. And if you guys want to see e-bike videos, scooter videos, car videos, like supercars and stuff, hit that subscribe button. Or even if you guys want to see more videos like this, and you got more, enough of you guys comment in the comment section that you want to see more shoveling videos for whatever reason, I'll make more if you guys want it. So thank you guys for watching this YouTube video, and stay tuned for more.